What are the main types of joints in the body? Have you ever wondered how your body moves so smoothly? The secret lies in the joints, the connections between bones that allow for movement and provide support. Today, we will look at the main types of joints in the human body, focusing on their classification and role in the skeletal system. Joints are classified into three main categories: fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial joints. Each type has its unique structure and function, contributing to how we move and function daily. First, let's talk about fibrous joints. These joints are held together by dense connective tissue and usually do not have a joint cavity. They are mostly immovable, providing stability. A great example is the sutures in the skull, where bones are tightly fused to protect the brain. Another type is syndesmoses, where bones are connected by ligaments, allowing slight movement, like the connection between the tibia and fibula. Lastly, gomphoses are peg-and-socket joints, such as the way teeth fit into their sockets. Next up are cartilaginous joints. These joints connect bones entirely through cartilage, allowing for limited movement. There are two types of cartilaginous joints. Synchondroses are temporary and found in growing bones, like the epiphyseal plates in children. Symphyses, on the other hand, are permanent joints, such as the pubic symphysis and intervertebral discs. These joints provide support and flexibility, which is essential for shock absorption and slight mobility, especially in areas like the spine and pelvis. Now, let's dive into synovial joints, the most common and freely movable joints in the body. These joints feature a synovial cavity filled with synovial fluid, which lubricates the joint to reduce friction during movement. Synovial joints can be further classified based on the type of movement they allow. Hinge joints, like the elbow and knee, permit movement in one plane, such as bending and straightening. Ball and socket joints, like the shoulder and hip, allow movement in multiple directions, including rotation. Pivot joints, such as the atlas and axis in the neck, enable rotational movement. Saddle joints, like the base of the thumb, allow back and forth and side-to-side movement but limited rotation. Condyloid joints, such as those in the wrist, permit movement but no rotation. Lastly, planar joints, or gliding joints, like those between carpal bones, allow bones to glide past one another in any direction along the joint plane. Understanding these joint types is essential for grasping how the skeletal system supports body structure and facilitates movement. Each joint type balances stability and mobility according to its location and function. For instance, immovable fibrous joints protect vital organs like the brain, while highly movable synovial joints enable complex limb movements necessary for daily activities. So, the next time you move your arm or bend your knee, remember the amazing joints working behind the scenes to make it all possible.